Addition of like fraction, unlike fractions, mixed fraction in easy step by step. First we learn like fractions addition. Here four part fraction, one part is colored and two part is colored. So answer is three part is colored. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Here denominator are same, so they are like fractions. Here 3 by 8 and 4 by 8 plus is equal to 7 by 8. First we write the denominator. Here denominator are same, we write is equal to 8 and 8 denominator. For like fractions adding formula, addition of numerator and common denominator. Here take example 2 by 6 plus 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 6. Here 2 and 4 plus is equal to 6 by 6. Here 3 by 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 3 part is colored plus 2 by 7, 2 part is colored and 3 plus 2 addition of numerator by common denominator is equal to 5 by 7. We make like fractions addition without picture, बिना picture के. 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10 addition of numerator by common denominator. Addition of numerator is 4 plus 3 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. Next example 2 by 70 plus 3 by 70 plus 5 by 70. Addition of numerator are 2, 3, 5 is equal to 10 and common denominator are 70. Next, addition of unlike fractions. जिस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट हो अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन होता है. सॉल्विंग प्रोसेस इज फर्स्ट वी चेंज द गिवन फ्रैक्शंस टू लाइक फ्रैक्शन with lowest common denominator. Second process is add all numerator, and third process is write the new denominator LCM as the denominator of sum. Here is formula of unlike fractions addition. First fractions numerator multiply LCM of denominator and divided by first fractions denominator plus second fractions denominator multiply LCM of denominator divided by second fraction denominators whole divided by LCM of denominators. Example 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Here we find LCM. LCM is 8, 3 multiplied 8 LCM divided by 4 denominator of first fraction plus 5 multiple 8 divided LCM divided by second denominator 3 multiply 2 5 plus 5 multiply 1 by 8 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 and denominator same, so 8 answer. Mixed fractions addition. Here 5 integral part 1 by 4 plus 2 integral part 3 by 4. Here 5 is integral part and 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Is solving 5 1 by 4 plus 2 3 by 4. First we change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Integral part multiply denominator plus numerator and oblique denominator. 5 1 by 4 is equal to 5 multiply by 4, 4 is denominator plus 1 numerator. Integral part multiply denominator, integral part multiply with denominator, here plus numerator. Here 5 multiply 4 is 20 plus 1 by 4, 21 by 4. 2 integral part 3 by 4 is equal to 2 multiply 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 multiply 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 by 4. Then we add the fractions 21 by 4 plus 11 by 4. 21 plus 11 by 4 is equal to 32 by 4. Here 32 is divisible by 4. So we divide 32 by 4 is equal to 8 answer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.